On this video, I want to show you a unique niche that can get you money like this every single month. We are talking tens of thousands of dollars in passive income paid to you as a complete beginner without a website, without creating your own videos, without showing your face on camera, or without ever saying anything. I am going to walk you through the entire process step by step, and anybody can do this method from anywhere in the world. Be sure you stick with me till the end of this video. The best part about this strategy is that this niche is not saturated at all. You can get started straight after watching this video. So this is Manoj here and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Be sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever new video is up. Now let's get started. This is an extremely easy and unique strategy and probably one of the easiest way that I have seen for very long time. And the reason for that is with this channel. I'm going to walk you through this entire channel and show you exactly why. Number 1, this person is not on camera. Number 2, he never talks on his videos. Number 3, he does not film his videos. And number 4, these videos are posted probably every 3 days. Take a look at how much money this passive income channel is making. If you scroll down here, it's anything up to $700 or up to $1,000. Now the niche that we are talking about is the niche of providing people solution to smaller living spaces, smaller tables, smaller desks, smaller beds, and all this type of unique stuff. The cool thing is I'm going to show you how you can get all of this content and how to put these videos together. You can start a channel like this today, start to run traffic, and make a good money online on YouTube. So the first thing that I want to show you with this channel, if we come over here to the sort by, I want to show you how long this channel has been running. So we click on to the date added old days. I want to show you that this person literally started his channel just a year ago. So the first video was posted a year ago and then 11 months ago, and then he kind of stuck solid from about 11 months ago. And the crazy thing about this channel over here, you guys can look at the amount of views that this person gets. So if we come over here again, go to the most popular videos and look at here, this niche gets millions of views. What that tells me is that there is a lot of demand of this type of channels. I want to show you how you can put a channel like this together so that you can make passive income online and make money with YouTube. This channel is monetized and I will walk you through some of these channels and show you exactly how this person is doing this and where they are finding these videos. And remember, they are not filming. All this content they are taking from online and then they are paying credit to these channels. So I open up a couple of these videos, and when I open up the first video over here, I'm just going to play this for you very quickly. You can see that there is a transition from one video to another, because what they do is they upload a video from one channel or one website and then they just link up another video from another source. I will show you in a bit what video software you can use to stitch these videos together. So as you can see, this channel does have ads running on it, and this video was posted a few days ago and it has this number of views. When you come down here, you can come over here and see exactly where they are getting all their content from, and you can literally do the same, but I want to show you how you can drive traffic and what exactly you are doing to drive that traffic. So when you come over here, take a look at this credit and links. They are not creating any of these videos. You can see here basically what they have done is they put the website where they are getting their content, and then sometimes they are putting a YouTube channel because sometimes they are getting the videos from the YouTube channel. So they are just downloading these videos onto their computer and then they are uploading them onto their YouTube channel. So I want to show you this. Open one of this link on the description over here. It's going to bring us over to the website or the channel where they take all the clips for these videos that they make. So some of the videos are from websites and some are from YouTube channels. What they are doing is they get these different videos, stitch them up in a software that I'm going to show you in a bit, and then they will upload it on their own channel. So they are literally taking other people's videos and they are crushing on YouTube. They are making a lot of money online, and you can do exactly the same thing. So what I did is I open up this video. So if you come over here, take a look at this video here. As you can see, this is another video that this person has downloaded, and if you come down here, this is where he has got all his information from. And again, you can see here all these links where he got the videos, and if you click onto those links, it will take you to the website or the channel where the videos that he used came from. Now I am going to give you a massive bonus and show you exactly how you can make even more money on YouTube, even more passive income. First thing that you need to do when creating one of these channels, you need to create a thumbnail. Now all they are doing with these thumbnails is they're quite simply using two scenes from the video. They just screen capture that, they come over to the site like Canva, and then they create a very simple thumbnail. All you need to do is come over here, search for the YouTube thumbnail, click on to that, click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail and simply paste those 2 screenshots over here or whatever part of your video you would like for your thumbnail. The thumbnail is very simple with this channel because as you can see there is no text overlay, it's literally just 2 photos. So that's how you could create your thumbnails. Now in order to create these videos, you need some video editing software, and the one that I recommend that is absolutely free, and that is openshot.org. So you could stitch together the videos that you will be downloading from the website or channels provided on the description box. It's just basic editing. All you need to do is put together 2 clips or all the clips that you got from the different sources that you will be opening from the links in the description. Keep watching because I'll show you what tags to use, and I will show you what titles to use as well and how you will be able to see those tags. So I am running the software called vidIQ and TubeBuddy. What that software does is you can see all these video tags over here. So these are the tags that this person is using to tell YouTube where to push this content and what this video is all about. Another thing that I want you to do is you want to try and do the similar titles because we already know that this type of titles are attracting a lot of viewers. So what you want to do is essentially you want to make a similar title and you want to use the same tags to drive your video to a similar audience. In order to see these tags, come over to the site called vidIQ and TubeBuddy. I'm going to have a link in my description box as well. You can get away with a free version. Once you sign up over here, you are going to be able to see the tags and you are going to be able to replicate these tags and use the exact same tag when you are posting it on your YouTube channel. So the next step is I want to show you how to get these different videos. The way you would get these videos is simply come over to the video that you want to download. For example, on this channel, you want this video. Click on the video and copy the URL, but just remember, make sure you give a credit to all these videos that you are getting, because the reason why he's getting away with this and the reason why no one is complaining is because he's getting a lot of views and he's driving their traffic back to their websites and back to their YouTube channel, which is also giving them the traffic. So it's a win-win situation for both. So once again, copy the URL and go on to the Google and type in MP4 downloader and look for a site like this which helps you download the video to your computer. So for example, I am using this website. You are going to see something like this. Come up and simply paste that URL in here, and you need to make sure that you click onto MP4 over here. Once you click onto MP4, just click onto convert. Once it's finished checking that video, you want to click onto download. What you are going to do now is get more clips and videos and start putting them on the video software, and then you want to stitch or put them all together for you to have your own video. You can do this over and over again with any one of these different videos that you find that this person is using. Just make sure you are running tags, and you need to make sure that you are copying these titles and you are doing them very similarly. So now we will talk about how are you going to capitalize on those thousands of dollars that you are going to be making every single month in ad revenue. Once you get this channel, in order to be monetized, you need to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Now you want to make sure that your channel is little bit unique. For that, create your own intro, and you are going to get better at this as you go along, because once this video go live, you can see how much views this person is getting. We are talking 300,000, 200,000, 100,000 views every single day. So it's a lot of eyeballs on these channels. Now all these people are watching these videos because they are literally after these different fantastic and smart ideas for these small apartments. So what you want to do is you want to come over to the Amazon, and what you want to do here is you want to sign up to the Amazon Associates as an affiliate. So you basically come over here, sign up as an affiliate, and then what you can start doing is you can post a link onto any one of these different videos over here. So if you scroll down here, all you would need to do is paste that affiliate link over here and tell people to click here if they want to check out some really cool small furniture or whatever it might be that you find on Amazon. When you come over here, if you type in space saving furniture, you are going to find all these different cool ideas that you can find on Amazon, and all you need to do is paste that link on your videos, and you will be surprised with how much people would click onto that. This will make you a lot of passive income, and it's one of the easiest way to make money on YouTube. Like I said, this is very unique niche and very easy to set up, but you need to make sure that you sign up for vidIQ and TubeBuddy so you can use the exact same tags. follow these different videos and copy them, and there is absolutely no reason why you can't start creating these videos and make a lot of money. And I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way for make money online, make sure you click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video, and I will see you in the next video.